Okay, what's up, everyone? So I took a win on NASDAQ and a loss on ES. I'm kind of sitting a little bit up on the day, slightly green, but yeah, let's see how we do go. Rest of today. I hope that you guys are having a good trading session so far. And yeah, all good your side. Let me know in the chat how you guys are going. What's up, Adam? How you going? So I tried a short here on ES for a loss, but NQ was a nice little winner to the downside. I think we actually could potentially roll over here. So I'm going to try some shorts on NQ and ES where we're sitting at the minute. Go like this. Let's just get the New York session open VWAP on, and then the daily. Obviously FOMC yesterday, which I spoke about. We also have Apple earnings after today's close. And try some shorts of these highs. How are you going today, Adam? Yeah, good, man. Yeah, all good. All good. How's your trading week been? Yeah, we're going to try some shorts of these highs. On the indexes, but yeah, it's been pretty interesting so far. Just been one-way traffic to the high side, honestly, more recently. Can go over some edgeful data as well. We've taken out both sides now. Get that up. Yeah, trying some shorts of the highs. Yeah. see who else is in the chat. We'd love to see a push to all-time high. Yeah, I mean, let's go to the hourly charts here, actually, or daily chart even. How close are we to all-time highs here? We on, yes, we are, 20 points away. So not far at all. Cool. So as I said, I definitely think, I mean, it's just been one-way traffic for the, to the high side more recently. And we actually held those lows after FOMC this morning in the early hours of the London session. We'll see what we do get. As I said, I think I'm definitely trying a tougher trade here. It is counter trend to the VWAPs, but we are coming off of a level which I have spoken about, where we did actually come off of in the pre-market into the open. So I'm just trying to short off that level. What's up? Good to have you on. Yeah, so I'm going to be on a little bit of a break from next week Friday, so we'll see what we do get before then. But I'm probably going to take quite a nice break when I am on the road, just relaxing. So look, is my webcam still freezing? Interested to see if it is. Have the guys come over again today? Yeah, it still is freezing. Not often, but it is. Cool. So yeah, as I said, I'm trying these. See what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin not really doing too much right here. It's trading above New York session view. I could probably try a little bit of a long position on BTC too. Gold. What's gold doing? Got an hourly time frame of gold. Gold shoved down quite heavily in the last bit. BTC position's not moving. In the last 2 days, we've actually had a massive drop on gold. Look at the daily last 2 days. Yeah, a good 2% or even almost 4% from the whole move. As I said, just trying a short here off this level, NQ and ES. Yeah. So as long as we hold this level, I still think we in play, yeah. See what we can get. Google is the star of the Mag 7. Jeez, it is. I can say that again. Google is up today. And remember, we have Apple after earnings after the session today. Google is up 7.59% today. The video pulling back a little bit. Yeah, it definitely is the star of the Mag 7. You're quite right. Any thoughts or questions in the chat right now? You guys have any positions today? Adam, what trades have you taken today? Anyone else have anything that they've taken as well? So yeah, we are getting a little bit of a rejection there, NQ. I just think that because ES made a new high, NQ didn't, we could potentially see a little bit of a trickle over here. Is a little bit of a higher risk trade. For sure. FE crossing isn't big. Sanders, right? Yeah. Markets have been pretty crazy right now, I must say. There you go. I'll get a little bit of a roll over there. Stocks act like meme coins in alt season. Yeah, it has been pretty crazy. That's for sure. very slow price action right now, though. You want to discussing some key points with risk management and position sizing? Yeah, I can do. So I always think that you need to take, I like going with a little bit of wider stops when I day trade. I don't really like the tight stop loss placements. The reason for that is the tighter the stop loss, the more accurate your entry needs to be. Okay, so yeah, and then go with a risk that you are comfortable. For example, if you are trading a prop firm account and you want your max daily loss limit to be $1,000, give yourself at least 2 goes in the day. I'd say at least 500 and 500. And if you lose 2 in a row, you're down on your max daily loss for the day, right? But like on the short, I'll have my stop loss above the highs here. Reason being for the short here is we are making a new high on ES, okay? But we are not on NQ. So I'm just looking to fade it back towards that VWAP. We also did fall from this level at the open. So I'm just looking at a level that we're trading off of on ES and seeing if it can get some rotation back down, right, off these highs. But yeah, Adam, I think wider stops personally, and then give yourself 2 goes. Like if your max daily loss limit for the day is $1,000, give yourself 2 goes at it personally. That's how I would approach, or how I approach my trading, and hopefully that helps you know. Cool. So they're still respecting these highs here, and we're still having some profit here. Yes, it's lagging a little bit. The NQ is actually coming back down. You can see NQ now back down underneath 410. If we get back towards this New York session view up, I'll look to close. Again, this is on this GoChamp competition account. You can go check that out. And then on the link here, go check out all the prop firms that I use and recommend. You can go check them out over there. We'll be on for a little bit longer today. We'll go on for a little bit longer than usual. Give me a second, guys. But yeah, we're in these trades on the shorts and looking to take it back to New York session VWAP. Cool. So we are coming down here. And again, I just think that if we get to that New York session view, I'd like to cut there. That's going to be the plan, right? I'll close this NQ a little bit earlier. We'll just see if ES wants to come off those highs. I am green on this account. I think the top, I have to see, but I'm up over $1,000. I'm in third at the moment. Top guys get some cash prizes, so that'll be nice. Be interesting to see how far this wants to come back. Does look good right now. Second, nice, Adam. Good work. Yeah, this little short is pretty good. Honestly, it's not bad at all. Yes, no, 201. Does seem like Nvidia and Tesla are pulling back a little bit. Nvidia and Tesla pulling back a little bit. Nvidia is on the lows, so yeah, interesting. Let's see what we do get. I think I'm just trying to take it back down to lows. That's all I'm really trying to do. Back down to that New York session view app, right? What's YM doing here? YM's actually been the one that's actually just moved completely higher today. Very, very interesting. Normally, we got a massive flush at the open on ES and NQ. Normally, you see them move, at least somewhat in line. But yeah, not this time. Move stop loss to break even. Brilliant. Can actually close that or to get we had a nice high entry price as well. So we'll see if we can get that too. NQ still looks half decent. What's the DAX doing? Let's have a look at what the DAX is doing. DAX is kind of topping out too. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, just try another short. Just back down to that New York session view up. Definitely a riskier trade, tougher trade. But I do like the potential lower. Eager to short on the DAX. Yeah, I can see why. We've pulled back and we've actually been in a massive downtrend on the DAX too, interestingly enough. The last couple, I like that you look at the DAX, bro. That's good. I love trading the DAX personally. It's a very nice asset to trade. There we go. So up 100, we'll close that. See if you want to get some extension low. Now NQ down to 377, 376. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, if we can get back down to 365, I'll look to cut. Sorry, on ES, that would be back down to these lows here at 191, 190. So another 6 points lower. EU50. I haven't had a look at that. What is that? That's obviously another index, right? Yeah, no. Yeah, Nvidia is flushing. And Tesla is turning over a little bit. It's the DAX doing. Yeah, DAX actually not a bad spot to be shorting there at the moment too, to be honest. Right at those highs. How often do you look at the DAX, Adam? Cool, this looks good. We'll close out on this position here for a little bit of a gain. We'll see if it wants to rotate back down lower. Yeah, ANQ coming off those highs now, 370. Reminder that Apple earnings is after the close today, so be wary of that. We've got to keep an eye out on that, but this still looks good. Maybe let's just go with one market. Let's see if we can hold this for a larger move back down. Yo, what's up, Mark? It's been good, bro. How's your week been? You've been taking some time off the charts, yeah? Congrats on the wedding, brother. It's good to see you back on. Yes, sir. Massive congrats, dude. Yeah, this looks good. 361 on the NASDAQ. 195. I would like this down just a little bit more. Thanks, my brother. Coming back to one from Bush and going to take it easy. Enjoy your time off, bro. Big trade 7 for closing last 50%. Nice, Adam. Yeah, we're starting to rotate lower, that's for sure. Looks good. Super keen to get back on the chart. What's happening with the charts this week? You made millions. No, we've been going good, eh? We've been going good. Just doing what we can. I'm green though every single day this week. I'll be very small green though today. There you go. So look, see if we can get some more flash here. still looks good, yeah. As I said, just to come off these highs, nothing much. Yeah, I think NQ also looks a little bit more weak at the moment. We're breaking through that daily VWAP to the downside. So I think opening range low is not a bad target, which would be 271 on NQ. But we'll see. Let's see NQ. Yeah, NQ would need to break through. We did have a break of that daily view, but we need to get a little bit lower, down by I would say like 271 would be a nice little like bounce back. But yeah, let's close this position there. We'll readjust and figure. Definitely think maybe a rotation back down. Opening range low is, let's go like this. Opening range low, yeah, 271 on NQ. But we know we are finding a little bit of support, yeah, which is to be understood at that daily VWAP, right? So let's see how it wants to react here on NQ. First hour was bearish as well with that those edgeful stats, remember? So keep that in mind. First hour bearish. First hour bearish in the last month. The shorts haven't been working in the last month, but first hour bearish in the last month on NQ with those stats with edgeful. Okay, we can pull that up while we watch it there. So first hour bearish opening candle continuation report. Okay, and let's go to NQ. First hour bearish in the last 6 months, 75% closes bearish closing there, but the last month hasn't been too great because obviously the longs have been paying off, so 50-50 last month. Last 3 months, that goes to 72. So that's also why I do like the shorts off of that level there, right? Just try another little short here. Let's go, let's up the quantity. You can't, I don't think you can sell 4. Yeah, I think 2 is the max hit for this competition that you can trade. Maybe a potential lower high on the lower time frames. On like a 1 minute. Let's see. So up to. See it's doing. Delete this. Sell 2 on ES as well. Back at those. Let's see if it wants to rotate back down now. But yeah, that first hour opening candle continuation report is one of my favorites. Yeah, bro, 100%, Mark. I appreciate you joining as always, dude. Quick, bro. How long did it take you to become full time? Yeah, Adam. I traded for about 3 years before I went kind of like full time. Yeah, I don't think anyone should trade full time. I traded full time for 2 years as my only source of income. It was pretty shit at times, especially when you're in Jordan and you've got nothing else to do. So I always say have other things that you do throughout the day. I would always recommend that in my own personal opinion, though, obviously. But yeah, it took me about 2 years to become profitable. And then I made my first 100K trading in 2020. Yeah, we're just trying some shorts again off these highs on this pullback. I'm not too big of a fan on it at the moment because I'm fading the VWAPs. But let's see what we do get. Potentially be a lower high, yeah. We'll see how we react here. Yeah, NQ definitely looking. Yeah, this could easily potentially be a high low, which I like. Sorry, low high, yeah, low high off the highs, yeah. This is where we fell off into the open as well. All right. Decker, I just want to, yeah, I appreciate you joining, Mark. Yeah, Adam, how long have you been trading? Your side, boss. Yeah, how long have you been trading your side, Adam? And what have you been trading mainly? 2 years. Okay, nice. What have you been trading mainly? What asset class? Indexes, stocks, crypto? Mostly crypto. Okay, interesting. Yeah, a lot of people actually get into trading crypto. Obviously, indexes and that move a little bit differently, but yeah, you can still swing trade your crypto and day trade indexes or stocks. So not a bad position to be in, especially with that crypto background. Make money day trading, you put it into your crypto projects that you like, right? Yeah, I don't like this now. But let's see. As I said, I'm just trying to short it off the highs there. But we are definitely fading VWAP, that's for sure. And this market has been relentless. It's only been going up the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Cool. So we watch this. I'm still up on this account quite nicely. I definitely don't like this move. Pulling back here. Still back at, we're actually back at the same price that I was shorting at earlier, funny enough. Yeah, nice, Adam. It's good to have that diversification, in my opinion. You know the crypto background, and then you can make your money day trading, and then put it back into those crypto projects that you like, right? Yeah, let's see how we react at these highs on ES. Again, Apple earnings after today. Apple earnings after today's close, so that will be keenly watched. Yeah, I'm not really liking this. If we close, have like a 15-minute close above these highs, I'll probably close some out, yeah. So I would never buy any crypto projects. One thing scam. Why do you say that? It's just like the meme coins and that. You're not a big fan of Bitcoin at all, by any chance? Are you saying that for like just the meme coins in general, or yeah? What do you mean by that? I would, meanwhile, Bob would come for sure over long term, but the hold when the world is calling it back to north. Sure. Yeah, okay, I don't like this at all. We'll cut, yeah. So we're still up on the account. Oops, it's cut. Yeah, so we're still up. We'll still be up on this account 1247. So we're giving some back there. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens. Next 20 minutes or so, I'm probably going to be done though. Yeah, we'll see what happens with this news on obviously Apple's earnings, and we do have a few other interesting things coming up as well. It's actually bank holiday in South Africa tomorrow, so yeah, it'll be good to get some time off in the morning. That's for sure. Yeah, well, Tesla picking up a little bit of strength there. YM, not really doing much at these highs personally. So let's see what happens. But again, I just think that later on in the day is not really where I find my good solid trades. It's normally in the morning session, first 3 hours of market open. Typically, it's typically when I find my best day trades on the indexes or any individual stock name. So pretty bullish close there for NQ in the indexes, but yeah, we're gonna leave that alone for now. We'll leave it alone for now. See what we do get rest of the day and into tomorrow. Cool, guys. Yeah, we'll give it a couple more minutes here. But any last questions, let me know. Potential area to short. Yeah, I agree. At this level again, wouldn't be surprised to see it. Maybe it's right at that half day. That's the first where I actually got the nice first original entry price. But as I said, I don't really like that we are pushing off of that VWAP personally. But you could try a short there like that on both ES and NQ. But yeah, ES is probably the better one, too short, just because we are at those highs. That's an area of resistance that we have been finding all day today for sure, 100%. So we'll try it again on this account, see if it wants to come lower. But yeah, I appreciate you guys being on. We'll give it another 5 more minutes or so. Let me know if you want to cover anything. Any other questions, Adam? Always here. Let me know, bro. Very nice area actually, short off those highs. You're right. It's been respecting it all morning. There you go. What's up? Thanks for your streams. Select. I prefer the ones with Andre and Zinc. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I mean, we do them every single day, right? I'll be on with Andre rest of, or tomorrow. I'll be on with Andre tomorrow. Yes, sir. Good to have you on, Sid. Yeah. But yeah, I'll be on with Andre tomorrow on my channel, obviously. So you can check us out there. Zinc, I was on with Zinc today. Yeah, you're right. Another nice level of resistance there on ES for sure. It's going to need to do some work to come back down. Well, if we want to, but yeah, I appreciate you guys being on. We'll give it another couple minutes here. And yeah, I'm from South Africa, bro. The flag in the background, can you see? Yes, sir. Yep. Where are you from? Good to have you guys on stream. But yeah, as I said, I think shorts have just been very tough. Nice to get the closeout winning on the stream. But yeah, let's see you guys all on tomorrow. I'll be on for the open on my channel, and then I'll be with pro charts to end off the week. Just a nice little chilled, Friday to end of the week, public holiday in South Africa, and let's finish the week strong. Perfect. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you all on tomorrow then. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.